The Pre-Professional Advising Center offers a series of workshops to share information with students about preparing for professional school and careers in health and law. Students who have recently decided to explore the idea of applying to health professions or law school are advised to attend either the Pre-Health or Pre-Law Introduction Workshop. This workshop will guide you through exploring and selecting a major, career exploration, the timeline for applying to professional school, academic and non-academic preparation, and services offered by the PPAC.
The introduction workshop is required before you can meet with a PPAC advisor. If a PPAC advisor visits your learning community, this satisfies the requirement. After attending an introduction workshop, continue meeting with your PPAC advisor at least once per semester.
You are encouraged to attend the shadowing workshop to learn how to connect with professionals in your field and get a miss out of your shadowing experience.
For students in your application year, attend the appropriate application workshops. In the fall semester, there's the Health Professions Application Workshop Part 1, which is planning, and in the spring semester, Health Professions Application Workshop 2, how to. And then there's also the Law School Application Workshop and the Pharmacy School Application Workshop.
Also, make it a point to go to a personal statement writing workshop and an interviewing workshop for pre-health students only. Law schools do not conduct interviews. To make workshop reservations, contact the PPAC at the email or phone number below.